Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Venkat with Lead the Life. In this video, I will show you how to make zombie modded Among Us version. So here I have installed the latest version Among Us with clean installation. There is no mods in here. So now let's install the zombie version. In order to do that, you need to go to one of the site. I will provide that link in the description. You can check that from there. So I'm going to paste it and open the site. So once we are on this site, scroll down, you can follow the steps here. So here you can see the steps for PC and Android. So here this is one step for PC and this is critical in compared to this kind of option. So let's go and click on skill.net. So this is a simple launcher you need to download and it will automatically direct you to the Among Us game with modded included. So let's download this for Windows. Since I have already downloaded that, it will show as Skilled Launcher 1. So let's wait for I accidentally pressed it 2 times, so it is 1 and 2 because I have already done that. So let me open that for you. Okay, now let's show in folder. Yeah, now you can click on any one of these and it will automatically open the Among Us game. So let's do that. So it is going to detect the game and it will automatically open the game. So we are on this game and you can check the version, it is 3.5s. So now let's go and check online. Yeah, you can see the skill.net server included here and you can change if you want to change. Now let's create a game and check whether there is zombie, a gesture along with 50-50 mode are included. So if you have done everything properly, you can check the message here directly. See, the crazy colors mode has been included here. So we can switch them. So now let's type /game mode. This is crazy colors, but let's try zombie. Yeah, this is zombies mode. Now let's try another. So this is gesture. Now we got another. Yeah, this is 50-50 mode. So you got 4 modes included. I don't know how many of them are there, but as far now I know only 4 modes. This is crazy colors, zombie, gesture and 50-50. So now let's close this and check the other alternative method which we have. So we have seen this. I'm going to delete this. So I have deleted the file which I have downloaded just now. So now let's check the another method. So this is the second method you need to follow. What we have to do is we need to click here to download the region info file. So I'm going to click here and you can see that I have downloaded the region info file. Now let's copy that. I'm going to press Ctrl C to copy region info file. Okay, now let's get back here. Now you need to press Windows R to open run command and you need to type this text exactly as it is here and click on OK. So now here you need to paste the file which you have copied. So I'm going to paste it. Yeah, you can see that I have pasted the file. Now let's close this and now let's close this. I'm going to refresh my PC for one time. Now let's open the game back again. So you can see the same server included again. So this is one way of doing it, but I recommend you to just go for skill launcher because it is easy compared to this method. So, and also if you want to use this method on Android, I will show up another video in which you are going to use these mods. And also you can able to join only if you are using these mods, because you cannot join the skill.net server without using mods. So I will make sure that I will upload video on Android too. And if you love to join on live Among Us, you can subscribe to the channel Lead the Life YouTube channel, because I will be doing regular streams there. You can check that out. So that's it for this video guys. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.